Capricorn, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is belief. Believe in yourself, Capricorn. Remember why you started. You see what your destination is. You're even closer than you ever been before. We did not come this far to stop now. I believe in myself, the beauty of life, and the goodness of God. Thus, I have the power to fulfill my dreams. The will of the Almighty supports me. My life is showered in divine light, and my heart opens up to the power of the universe, where your heart is so loving. It's going to attract your tribe. Whatever you're building is going to catch on like wildfire, like honey to bees. We love it and we need it. So continue to please work on it and believe in yourself, because the way that you believe in yourself is how the rest of the world shall believe in you also. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.